this side.
Okay, hi everybody.
Hi.
Where are we?
We are at East Canyon on the east side, camping at a campground there.
That's right. That's
in our motorhome, and Livia's opening her LOL.
Yep. Just move back a tiny bit, Landyn. Or move forward a little tiny bit, Livia. Okay, a little bit more. A bit more. There you go. Okay. We're in the RV, huh?
That's why you may not recognize this place.
How was it last night?
It was actually pretty freezing.
I forgot that this was the motorhome. I thought it was the RV. I thought it was our home.
Yeah, I know, huh? It
Dad,
feels like it, doesn't it?
If you don't want to say motorhome, you just say MH. Motor, M, home, H.
You know, some people name it.
What?
I call it RV.
Yeah, but not give it a name. Like,
Felicia?
one syllable name. So it's easy. Anyway, so it was cold last night, wasn't it? You know what Daddy wanted to do? Was wake you guys up and for you to see the stars. It was really, really quiet because there's no trees other than this small one, but there's no rustling trees.
It's hard for me to wake up. It's hard for someone to wake me up when I'm sleeping.
I know.
Because I don't hear a sound.
Yeah. But what happened is that, unlike at Strawberry, Daddy was looking through the window, and Daddy saw the stars.
Can I open it?
Yes, you can open it. Go.
Does the lake seem farther than
Can
that?
I open it, Dad?
The lake seems farther than
opening it.
Okay, go. Open it. Is it?
one layer. Ooh, here's the
Nice
clue.
Rain or shine.
No, like you can't read it. You have to try to guess what it is first.
You don't have to
Rain,
guess
shine.
it. Rain or shine.
So what's that, Livia?
It's an LOL.
Wasn't this like some sort of
Why did you
sticker?
get that?
What?
Why did you get that?
At Best Buy.
No, but why?
Because
Landyn?
I've been doing my reading.
Yeah, good. Do you want your LOL too? Because you've done your reading? Huh? Huh? Doing your reading? Your LOL too?
I don't want an LOL.
LOLs are for girls.
True. I would rather have...
Star Wars.
No, I think I would rather have...
I wonder if there's LOL Star Wars.
Yeah, I wish they would make that.
Harry Potter.
Oh, Harry Potter LOLs. You could either get Ron, Hermione, Harry.
When did you start getting to Harry Potter?
Dumbledore.
How did you even started to get into LOLs?
Wow. My tattoo.
How did I get to into Harry Potter?
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's see. There's a game on thing called Wizard Life. There's a game on Roblox called Wizard Life.
Mm-hmm.
And so I played that, and then I saw Harry, and I was like, wait a minute, I like this game. And then I saw Hogwarts everywhere, and I was like, I had, at that exact time I finished the game, I immediately had a change of heart that at that point I started to like Harry Potter. Because it was a wizard.
Because you didn't like Harry Potter at all. I tried to get you to watch the movie, but you didn't even want to do that.
I'm so into Harry Potter, I don't even want to watch Fantastic Beasts anymore.
And you can watch that because it is part of this kind of...
Yeah, I've only seen number 5. What about 6 and 7? What is 6?
I don't think you've seen number 5 yet.
No, I haven't seen number 5. That was just number 4. What is number 5?
Have you seen number 5 and number 4?
No.
I can't
Yeah, I've
open
seen
this.
number 4. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire.
Collect all the garbage, put it together.
Whoa, it's a headband.
Ooh, it's a headband.
Stop it.
I'm cool. I wear a headband. Liv, that hurt. I wore a headband.
Let's see where we are. I don't know exactly where we are.
Hi, camera.
You know, all that used to be water.
Yeah.
Hey, I see somebody down there. What is he doing? See it?
Holy. Is that somebody or is that just a weirdly shaped life jacket? Now that he's moving.
Weird.
What is he doing? Is he peeing?
You don't have to walk all the way down there to pee.
Yeah. That would be equivalent to, I mean, that would be water, filled with water at one time.
This is my.
I'll help you. I'll help you open it. Fine, then I'll just spin this. You can open them. There you go. Wait, is this even... There's nothing in here.
Yeah, because that's why I already opened that one.
Oopsies. How do some of these sometimes pop? Come on. What is wrong with this? They just sometimes
Sit.
randomly... What? Is there something that's jamming this?
No, there's nothing.
Oh, this one's not closed. That's why I can't spin it. There you go. Oopsies.
Landyn, see if you can close that blind. That one, him. I think I might like this one this way better. This lighting.
I can help you. No, look, I have to put this piece back in.
I know how to.
Do you need help opening this?
No.
Okay. I'll just stretch it out for you.
Okay, the confetti. Try not to make a mess. There you go.
Put it over here, pop it over there. There. I can help you. So you can just open your LOL Liv. I can help you, Liv. Or you got it.
Ooh, a bottle. Thank you.
You're welcome. Isn't that much more fun when I open it and give it to you?
Much more fun. This is my toy.
Then why did you say thank you?
Because
Thank you. Where's the string? Let's both pull it at the same time, okay? Well, I'm not gonna help you clean up the confetti if it goes everywhere. No on the plate.
Oh. Is it going to pop and go everywhere? Whoa.
Exactly as I thought.
No, that's not so bad.
that's all.
Here, I'll hold the doll so you don't lose it or something.
No,
Well, you clean up the
it won't get
confetti.
lost.
How would you lose it, Landyn? It's in
I'm
this
just
room.
saying. Whenever Livia has something, she never even shares with me. It's like she never even lets me open one thing.
You know what it is? It's because this is her kind of toy.
Yeah, but this thing is that even over at Mommy's, she's never nice to me.
Oh, stop
Whenever
it.
she gets something, she doesn't share with me. So that means whenever I get something, I'm not going to share with her.
Okay, don't be like that, okay?
Hey,
You know
she's
what?
not sharing with me. You can't not be like
Landyn?
that.
There's not many toys that's for
What is she doing?
There's a whole bunch in Toys R Us. There's a whole bunch in Toys R Us. There's a
Landyn?
whole bunch of boy toys in Toys R Us.
You have a lot more toys when it comes to
Expensive toys.
expensive
Olivia
toys.
has a bunch of toys. And you know, the thing is, when she gets something, she always shares with me. I mean, she never shares with me. But you see, all my new games, if it's a 2-player, I share. First thing I do when I play it is I let Livia play
Okay,
too.
well, that's good. That's
And
very
she
good.
doesn't let me play or even help her with her toys.
Well, it's good that you do that. But guess what?
So that's why I should stop helping. Letting her
No,
play
no, you be kind to
whenever
your
I get
sister.
another
She's
one.
just your little sister.
Well,
Okay?
yeah, she's my little sister. But if I should be kind to her, she should be more kind to me.
Yes, but teach her then. Okay? But Landyn, you have a lot of stuff that she can't play.
The thing is,
Can she
what?
play? What's number 4? The game PS4, Uncharted 4. Can she play that?
On the easy part, she could.
No, right?
It's only one player.
Yeah. So,
No, I mean, she could
oh,
play
Livia, I just realized your LOL shirt.
Uh-oh.
You're wearing it right now.
Ah.
You didn't realize that? LOL surprise? Huh? And you're opening up an LOL.
Do you want some tea, Liv?
Ooh. I'm walking like this.
Okay, Landyn. These are little girls' toys. You don't have to feel jealous.
I don't have, not that I'm complaining, but I don't have very much toys. Livia has a bunch of toys, so she could at least help her. She could at least let me help her instead of just being, no. Because my boy
What in
toys,
the world are
when she wants to
headphones?
play, not all the time I let her play, but most of the time I let her play when she wants to play.
Okay,
Like
Landyn.
what she wants to play, like on the PS4
Landyn.
with you. But then she's always, I always let her play on my game stations. And some, if it's a
Not
2-player
always.
with me. Not always, not when my friends come, but when my friends are not there, yes, I do let her. But then she never shares any of her toys with me.
Let her enjoy it first. She never even had a chance to enjoy it first.
But she's had many of these before. This one.
Yeah.
But these
At
are
Mommy's?
a way new series. I only opened one at Mommy's.
So,
Actually,
Landyn.
no, you opened like
Landyn.
2.
Landyn.
No, one at
Landyn.
Mommy's and one at Daddy's.
Are these kind of toys that you want? The
No.
cheaper ones?
No, it's just that I'd like to help my sister.
Huh?
I like to help my sister.
Okay. All
You
right.
know why?
Spider-Man PS4 game is coming out next month.
What do you mean by Spider-Man?
Spider-Man, it's a brand new game.
Spider-Man PS4, I don't follow. What do you mean by that?
A new game called Spider-Man is coming out on the PS4 next month.
Why is it called Spider-Man?
Because it's a Spider-Man game. And apparently people can't wait for it. That guy from Best Buy yesterday, Monday that I talked to, he says it's a lot of people are waiting for it.
So what is it? Almost like exactly like Grand Theft Auto except Spider-Man?
I don't know. I don't know anything about it. All I know is that I saw a picture. It's coming out. And then the PlayStation, they come with a matching PlayStation. It's red with a spider, big giant spider on the machine.
Why? Why? I wish this game would have came out a lot earlier.
I know.
Because then you would have got me. You tried to get me the coolest one, right?
Mm-hmm. I would have gotten you that one. I thought, man, that would be cool.
Why can't you
It's
just return
red.
my PS4
It looks
and get
beautiful.
Why can't you just return my PS4 and get that Spider-Man?
No, we
PS4?
can't return it. We've had it for what? 2 years?
2 years, and isn't there like a 2-year warranty?
Yeah, yeah, but they don't replace it. We can't return it. Okay. It does the same thing. It just looks better.
It's the same thing, but it looks better, and that's why I want it.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna look a lot better.
Yeah. What? Look, Landyn.
Okay.
When you said
Hey,
it,
that's
I
upside down.
wanted it, but now I'm not sure if I want it or not.
Well, at least you can get the game. It does the same thing. It plays the same thing.
Yeah, but I don't know what it's gonna be like. If it's cartoon, get rid of it.
Yeah, probably not cartoon, but you can check YouTube and see if
Go
there's
in the
any.
city. Oh, I can't. I changed my mind about it. I can't wait.
Check
Yes, I
YouTube
can't wait.
to see if it's on. It's on
I
YouTube.
can't wait.
Landyn, see if it's on YouTube for the review.
Hold on.
So you'll be swinging from from building to building.
Oh, that'd be so much fun. Although it would be kind of boring.
Why?
Because I've already done that. There's a Spider-Man game where you're just everyone's the same person. When
This
they
is
get
a
into
brand
the
new
server.
game. Could you imagine
No,
how
but-
good it would be?
Yeah, but everyone's the same game in Roblox. Everyone's the same person. And so it's basically the exact same thing. All you're doing is you can just hold space and you'll jump up into the air. You can either crawl on walls, you can run on walls, you can land on lampposts, you can squat down, and you can shoot webs and swing across buildings. The exact same thing.
Livia, you haven't talked yet. So what do you think? Do you have that one already?
At Mommy's.
That one? Oh, you got a duplicate? Aww.
But at least I can have one at your house and one at Mommy's house.
Okay.
And actually completed the collection because I finished this one because I already have Dawn at your house and Dusk, and then now I have
Dawn and Dusk?
Dawn.
Do you know how weird Dawn sounds, Liv? No, it sounds like
Okay.
Uncle Dawn.
Shh, shh, shh.
See, Dawn?
Keep going. Keep talking, Livia.
And at Mommy's I have Dawn and Dusk.
Oh, really? So you have two already at Mommy's? How many at Daddy's do you have?
I don't know.
1? 2?
I think she has definitely more than one.
Okay. Now, one thing that Daddy is concerned about, Daddy's finding the mug somewhere else, and then all the pieces somewhere else. Okay, can you keep it together? Hmm? And then the ball is open, and then is somewhere else. Did you want to keep the ball? Okay. Okay, move that paper there because it's hiding your hand. Yeah.
Who's the weasel? Oh, that was hilarious. I just thought of something and I was like, hey, that would be good in my head.
Silly boy. Okay, so Landyn.
Up goes the weasel.
Actually, it sounds like that, doesn't it?
Yep.
Okay, Landyn, listen. You listening? You don't have to feel bad that your sister gets to play with this one for these kind of toys first. Okay? You know why? Because you're
When the game
are
comes out, are you
big-
gonna buy it?
Huh?
When the game comes out, are you gonna buy it?
Well, we'll read about it, see whether it's popular or not. If it sucks,
Well, it's popular. Didn't that guy say that a bunch of people were waiting for it?
they're waiting for it, but nobody knows how good it is. It could suck. Like Star Wars?
Never mind, I'm not excited.
What's that Star Wars one that you got? Battlefront?
Battlefront?
Everybody was excited. You played for a little bit, but then you quit playing. Well, you played the last time. But do you like that game?
It's actually pretty fun. It's just kind of boring with no one to play with.
Oh, what about the second one?
Second one? The second one is actually more boring. You know why?
Really?
It
It
takes
is?
way too much time to load into the game. It takes way too much time. It takes way
Landyn?
too much time to. I can't do this, Liv. I don't know how to do this.
What does it go, Livia?
I don't.
Why did you pull it off for?
I didn't.
It came with it, and then it goes on her head, but it doesn't come with it. It's not on her head. So, the other one is actually a lot more boring because it takes too much time to load into the main screen, so I can choose the game. So it takes too much to load into the game, too much time to load into the game. Then it also takes too much time to load, and then to load into the main screen to choose the game. And once I've chosen the game, it takes way too long to choose.
It comes with that tattoo. I don't know why.
Oh, really? Oh.
I don't know how to do this, Liv. I can't.
I'll do it later because I'm filming right now.
So, and then it takes way too much time to load into the game. That's why it's not very popular. Because it takes way too much time to load. It takes about, say, 3, 4, 5 minutes, maybe,
Really?
to load. Well, that's at least how long it is for me, because it takes a long time.
Okay.
Oh, I just got that. What do you mean by long time? I meant it takes a pop time.
Okay. We're going to have a bit of fun. Okay?
By eating Daddy.
No. Because Daddy added some extra water yesterday. Loaded up some fresh, clean water. I want to test the shower. So I'm going to take a shower, and I want you guys to take a shower too. But a quick one. Okay?
I can't take a quick one. And I've already taken a shower.
This is just to test it out. It's for fun.
Well, you can do it. I don't want to do it.
You take a shower? Okay. You sure? Okay. Alright, I'm going to take a picture and then send it to Mommy later. There's no signal up here right now.
Oh. Daddy? Oh no, we have to go back to Mommy.
What, Livia? You don't want to go back to Mommy? Huh?
Stay with Daddy.
Stay with Dada.
Why?
Too Bobo without Dada.
Why, Livia?
That's what Landyn said.
What did he say?
Too Bobo without Dada.
What does that mean?
Boring without Daddy.
Really?
Yeah, twam, wait for me.
Okay, so...
What did I say?
You're boring without Daddy.
Translate for me.
You feel that way too, Livia? Huh? What did you say? You feel that way too?
Bobo without Dada.
Why don't you want to go back to Mommy's?
Too Bobo without Dada.
I want to stay with my Daddy.
Why?
Because I love him.
Really?
And too Bobo without Dada.
Really? You think that way too? Livia? What would Landyn say?
Too boring without Daddy.
But Dada.
Wait, do you feel that way too? Yeah? Well, you have fun with Mommy too, right?
Pop goes the weasel.
Huh?
Not all the time.
Okay, I'm going to pause this.